Hello, we're going to go over how to sign documents through Authentisign. So you're going to get a general email from Authentisign, usually from me, and you're just going to click this pen button right here. From here, you're not a robot, probably, hopefully, and it's going to load this page. This page may take a while. I've seen it take 5 or 10 minutes before, but eventually it will load. If it doesn't load after 5 or 10 minutes, maybe switch to a different computer or switch to your cell phone, because those tend to work pretty well. So here's the document that you're going to sign, or maybe a different document, doesn't matter, just any document. And you're going to see there's different initials, there's places to sign, and you can go through here and read each page and click it individually yourself, just like that. Or you can read each page, just scroll through it, and then come back up here and just hit either next or start. So for this one, it'll be next, 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 and it will automatically scroll us through this entire form. Oh, and look, missed one. So it will only happen like that if you click the next button up here or the start button up here. So as long as you click the red buttons, it will guide you through the entire process. If it doesn't say complete at the top here or complete signing, then you haven't signed absolutely everything. And of course, you don't have to hit complete signing. You can hit stay and review, or if you're not sure, you can just hit reset. It's going to reload the document. Eventually. So just bear with the system. These take a long time since they are encrypted. But you can see right here, you can hit the start button. Start, click, 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 and just click through each one, and it will make sure that you initialed and signed every document where you need to. Then hit complete signing. It's processing and you're all done. That's it.